Good morning and welcome to RLTW Strategies. Today is Tuesday, the 7th of May. And yesterday, for a recap, we were trading a few combines. We made $392 total, not total. I copy traded and I just stopped the day. It was a lot of consolidation and very little movement yesterday. So a lot of people probably blew their accounts trying to hit the ranges, and it would gap up 10 points and drop 10 points and go up 10 points and drop 10 points. So, and then at the last 15 minutes of the market, the NASDAQ just jumped up like quite a bit. So we're at that level right now. We're in this consolidation pattern again this morning during pre-market. And so we made 392 times 9. And then on a separate account, 05, I made 223, and I just stopped trading at that point in the morning. In the afternoon, I traded the 05 account and lost $500. So the $200 plus another $500, so $700 total. So we went from $3,700 at the end of the day to $3,200 at the end of the day with all the accounts. So today we're gonna. So I usually don't end trading when I'm down $500. I'll just keep trading, and then I'm down 1,000, and then I'm down another 1,200 and 1,500, and I'm trying to make it back, and then I go on tilt. So yesterday I was very happy that after the $700 loss, I stopped. There was no point. I knew where I was going to go if I continued trading. So I stopped, I took the loss, and we're here for another day, and we're gonna try to keep these combines open and work our way towards getting them funded again. So it's Tuesday, no news. Oh, we have some speakers speaking, and we'll go ahead and start getting into the charting. So let's go ahead and get to that. Right now I have the copy trader set up for all the accounts, one contract each. That's what I'm focused on, is just trying to learn to add to my position, scale in, scale out, and not go in full size 5 lots. And that's how I lost $500 on the 05 account. So this one right here, it was at 3,000. I made $200 yesterday, and then we got back down to 2,500. So this is the one where I traded 5 contracts, and then I just was on the wrong side of the trade. So today we're going to go ahead and trade the combines, copy trading, and just look for $100, $200 movement. So let's go ahead and go to the charting real quick this morning. Again, you want to start off fresh, so let's start off fresh. This is the daily, and as you can see, we did move up from this level. We did bounce off that low right there. So that was a good area that we reversed from. And this is acting like support as of right now. And then we got the all-time high. Let's go ahead and put the all-time high in. Mark it in blue. And now, and I also want to do the long range trend on the daily. It's something I like to see. It's something I like to see and do. And we could go, well, I don't know if we could go all the way back. Well, we can, really. I mean, we'll see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. All right, that's the long range trend. And then we got this little trend. I say little trend. It's like the midpoint from, what day is that? January of last year. And that's where we're headed. We got a parallel channel going right here from that point, right? We did make it above this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that. And And I don't think we're coming down to here ever again, actually. I don't think we're coming down. The only reason I put it here instead of here, there it's a zone, right? So this is the area of which it's first going to make contact. And I say that because of how it rejected at this point. And this point rejection is the top of this consolidation block and at the top of this consolidation block. Okay. So that's why I put the line there. And then we got these little ones. And we're in this upward trend right here on the daily. Let's go ahead and drill down to the 4 hour. And we got all these areas. So any large movements with break of structure. We got one here, which we're way below that. 17,490, and we're at 18,1. That's 600 points, 400 points, 500 points. So if we're moving up, and we're continuing, if we're stair stepping up, right? 1, 2, maybe this is 3 before we go back down. We have to break this area right here. And I say that because of all this area right here. You see it, the top of here, this block here, this block here. This is where price hit and rallied, not rallied, but kind of fought. Bulls and bears fought of where they want to take the price, and it rejected here, and then we're coming back to this. So this may be a rejection point until we break through it. And then the next area, I think, will be here. Before this long drop, it rejected at this level. And that's it. These ones don't really matter. These don't matter. Well, maybe that one does, but we're not there yet. We're not there yet. We're just on the 4 hour anyway. So this will be 1, 2, 3, an all-time high. On the way down, if we start going down, I say it's that area right there. From just what I see. It could be here. We come back down, 9. It's only 200 points down. If we have a 200 point day, we're coming down to here. We may come to this point of control. I'll put that in the yellow horizontal lines, the point of control. That was yesterday's, today's. And we're at this dual point of control. Look at all those point of controls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe that has something to do with anything, something. But that's where we're at right now. And then we got this, all these levels of point of control that roughly around the same level. So we may have some price discrepancy at that point. That's it for the levels. 4 hour, 2 hour. If we break this level, we may come over here. Look left. But we'll see. There's no news today. We do have doing Market Clubhouse. It's my routine. Listen to him for a while, and then I change it to Topstep TV, and then we'll go from there. So Wednesday, we have wholesale inventories at 10. Vice Chair Jefferson speaks at 11. Boston Fed President Collins speaks at 11:45, and Fed Governor Cook speaks at 1:30. So we got 3 speakers on Wednesday, and then wholesale inventories. So consumer credit is at 3 this afternoon. And then Minneapolis Fed President Kashkari speaks at 11:30 today. So that's it. Consumer credit, which is probably just increasing. And this is today, the 7th, tomorrow, Thursday, and then Friday. Consumer sentiment prelim, that'll be a big release. Monthly U.S. federal budget at 2, that's going to be a good one too. So that's what we're looking at. ES is just in this consolidation from yesterday's pop. The same thing with the NASDAQ. This is the pop from after hours. Now we went down, we filled the gap at pre-market right here. We filled the gap. We got point of control down here until it moves. And as you can see on the 15-minute, we got this downward trend going, which may break by market open. And then we got this the high from Globex high area that we touched twice, which is that's a big thing. Touching it twice. We hit it yesterday at 4, and we hit it again at 05 this morning before we started coming back down, and we're coming back up to the VWAP. So we're just going to monitor that. And then we got these levels up here, which we may skyrocket to that level. We got oil. Oil's still at that trend, right? We could bounce or we could break it. We could bounce off this trend. We hit it 3 times already. We may break through, but any international news is going to make this thing pop. So that's something we got to pay attention to. Other than that, I got the Topstep accounts. I got the one contract set. I will add to the position if I see an opportunity to add to the position. But other than that, we'll just monitor the 15, 30-minute. Wait for our levels. Wait for them to be supported or be rejected. That's probably the same thing. To bust through it or to bounce off it. So we'll just wait for that action. We'll wait confirmation on the next candles, and we'll go from there. I'll see you guys at 9 o'clock, and thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, we're back. We're about 7 minutes before market open. So we'll go ahead and start observing the NASDAQ. Turn down this music a little bit. All right, we're up at this level. We're hitting that resistance. We'll see if we could break through it or not. Let's look at the Mag 7 real quick. We're maintaining the high in Amazon, maintaining the high in Apple. We're kind of down at 913 with Nvidia. Nvidia went all the way down to 903 during pre-market. Microsoft has maintained its high, and we came down a little bit on Tesla. Palantir reported awesome earnings. They increased forecasts, and the stock dropped $3. So we're watching that. Other than that, we're just waiting to see what happens in 5 minutes. This thing could pop. This thing could pop in the first 5 minutes and then drop back down. So that is what we're waiting on. I'm listening to Topstep TV on the TV. And with that, we will wait for the market to open. Again, for a quick review, we're copy trading 9 accounts I should just probably just add one to make it 10. One contracts each. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and do that. And we will go from there. We'll try to, let's see if we could do $100. And then we could try to do $200 and then $500. We got Apple coming down pretty hard. Here's Apple. Watching that. Microsoft's going up, popping up. Amazon's popping up. Nvidia's coming down. I am going to watch the ES. And oil broke through, but the candle did not close. So we'll see. We may get stopped out, but I'm gonna play this short down to the red block. Apple's coming down. Microsoft's popping up. 2 minutes. We can come back down and retest this high. Nvidia's coming down. Market is open. Apple, Microsoft dropped. We got Apple doing an announcement today. We're breaking through. Let's see if we could hold this. We already filled the gap. Nvidia popped down to 907. It's at 909. Apple's at 183. Looking for our levels. Oh, Nvidia just popped.
Order filled.
Oh my God, that is loud. Let's go ahead and put a stop. Let's go ahead and add.
Order filled.
Let's put a stop there. Let's put a stop there for our 2.
Stop filled.
And we'll ride this all the way up and see how far it goes. Up 400 already. Up 500.
Stop filled.
All right, we're up 461 times 10. 461 times 10. That was a good. That was a good buy. I should just stop today. 461 times 10. $4,600. And look, I need to learn just to be happy with that, because I'm trading one contract, and that was a good kick up for one contract, and I just I want to start building confidence in my trading, and that was a good read. That was a good candle. We may drop back down to here. We may drop back down to here, right? You know, we may drop back down to here. We may come all the way down. Oil is dropping. Let's look at gold real quick. This thing might pop one more time. Gold. But 461 I'm happy with that. Maybe we'll wait for another move. Jesus, man, that was loud. Nvidia dropping back down. How do I turn my volume down on my order fills? Let's see. Dropping back down. Let's see what happens at this level. Let's see what happens. Nvidia's at 910. Apple's coming down. We're at 118 on Amazon. I don't think we're coming back down that much. It may pop up from here. Can I pull some more from the market? Let's read it. Let's read it. We may come back down to here. I got no inefficiency zones. I don't have any inefficiency zones yet. I just never put any up. You got the double top there. Coming back down a little bit. Nvidia's at 914. Microsoft might be coming up. Amazon's coming down. I kind of want to get in right here. Let's see, we're dropping. Is this as low as we're going to go? Apple may be going up. We got 920. We got 200s right here. We got the EMA and the VWAP on the 15-minute. It's a big indecisive candle. We had sellers up here pushing the price down. We have buyers that push the price up at open, and now we got sellers bringing it down. We got Nvidia at 914. We got Microsoft at 413. Amazon at 188. We got Apple at 183. So this may pop up one more. Oh my God!
Order filled.
Damn, that's so loud. Man, that's so loud. Apple just spiked up.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go ahead and close
Stop
out.
filled.
Close out. 220. We got ES. Man, Apple and Nvidia just spiked up, but Microsoft dropped.
Order filled.
See if this thing pops up. I'm gonna leave my stop there. Let's see if we go back up here. Apple's going up. Man, everything's dropping.
Stop filled.
Let's wait. Let's wait.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Man, that's so loud. I don't know why. 3 minute, the 5 minute.
Order filled.
Jesus. This thing could pop up.
Stop filled.
All right.
Order filled.
You probably shouldn't move my stop.
Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Let's wait. Should have kept that 150. Should have kept that 400. Trying to make 500. Here we go. We bounced off this top level. We bounced off of 18,198. Right here. This was the move, and this was the move. We just need Microsoft to move up. We could range right here. We could drop back down to here. Apple's at 185, 184. Amazon's up. We topped off twice. Man, what level is that? Let's see. Let's do a horizontal line. It's a resistance. Let's go to 30-minute. I want to see where that, okay, that tapped off there. That would have been a good short.
Order filled.
Usually stops me out. Let's see if we come back down.
Order filled.
Holding it. It might stop me out. Nvidia just dropped huge. Come on. There we go.
Order filled.
I sold one.
Stop filled. Order filled.
$718 times 10. I'm done today. That was good. I'm done today. That was it. Baby steps. That's the new goal. Baby steps and patience and baby steps and patience. Be happy with what you got. I'm going to go for a run, go to the gym, and we will be back here tomorrow. I'll see you guys. Thank you for, if you watch my videos, like and share if you like what you see. I know it's not for everybody, but hey, this is my passion, and I'm going to just keep trying to learn and get after it. So I'll see you guys. Be safe, be patient, be disciplined, be happy with what you got. I'll talk to you guys later. See you.